Which animal is known for building dams? Beaver. What is the main diet of a vampire bat? Blood. What is the primary diet of a herbivore? Plants. Which animal is known for its large tusks? Elephant. Which animal can see ultraviolet light? Bee. Which animal can produce silk? Spider. Which animal is known to have the largest brain relative to its body size? Emperor penguin. What is the only animal that cannot jump? Elephant. How many did you answer correctly? Like, subscribe and get notifications to not miss out.